Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1, which is 2 sum. This is a quite famous problem. So let's first read the problem description and then we can see how can we solve this question. So we have given an array integer nums and an integer target written in indices of two numbers such that they end up added to the target. You assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same solution twice. So let's copy paste this test case on the board and then we will discuss how to solve. Let's write it our own. So basically what the problem statement saying, we are given an array of which is containing like sub integers. Uh, let's say this is 2, 11, 8, 9, and our target is what? Our target is basically we can say suppose our target is 11. So what they are saying, if there exist such two integers whose sum is equal to the this target variable. So basically this is target. Let me denote it. So basically this is target whose sum is equal to target. So the first solution we comes in our mind is brute force solutions. So that what we can do, we first stay here and then move our second pointer to all the integers and let's see the sum of this and the integer we are currently in whose sum is equal to this 11 or not. If the sum is 11, we will return indices of both that elements as the answer. So basically what I'm saying, first I will stay here and then move to and then the second pointer will move here. So what the sum will come out as 11 and 2 13, then 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8 10, then 9 plus 2 11. So this sum satisfy our condition. So what we will return, we will return 0 and 0 1 2 3, 0 and 3 as our answer. So the first approach that's come our mind is this brute force, but always there is a problem with brute force solution that they will lead TLE to us. So what we will do, we will try something as hashing kind of solution that will reduce our time complexity to O of n, and basically we will use power of hashing. So let's see how we'll use hashing to solve this problem. So let's erase all of this and start rewriting again. So basically what was the our test case was that we have previously written 2, 11, 8, and suppose the 9, and our sum basically our target is this. So what we will do here, what we can do, we can use something hashing and maths. So what we will do, we will uh, go from here to here, and while going from start to the end, what we will do, we will store these number in map with their respective uh, indices. So how we will use these values uh, as to find our answer, we will see it in while, but first we are uh, what we will do, we will store this number and indices of this number in a map so that we can find answer quickly. So what we will do, what suppose we are currently at this position. So what we will do, we will subtract this number from the target. So the resultant number we will try to find. If this number exists in our map, so what we'll do, we will get the indices of this and the current position where we are standing will become our answer. So at first this 9 does not exist in our map, so we will move forward and inside this 2 into our map. And what in next position, what we will do, we will try to find, oh wait, we will try to find if the next number and I mean if we subtract this number from the target and that number exists in our map or not. So what we will do, our target number is this and the number we are currently at is also 11. So the resultant number is 0 and we try to find if this number exists in our map or not. So this number does not exist. This is indices. We are searching for these like uh, keys kind of thing. So this 0 does not exist here, so we will insert this 11 again and this respective indices, and we will then reach to the 8. So what we will do, we will subtract 8 also from the target. We will left with 3. Is this 3 exist in our maps? No. So we will move on and then insert this value in our map with the indices, and then we finally move to the 9 and try to subtract 9 from the 11, and this time we will get the value 2, and then we will try to find this value in our map. So this time we will get the value. So what we will do, we will get the value of this key 2 basically. So we will get the uh, indices 0 from here, and we are currently standing at the third indices, so we will return these are answer. So let's go to the code and see how it works. I have written previously as always. So what we are doing, we are first declaring our answer of two size array. So basically it will contain the positions of the element whose sum is equal to the target, and we are first initializing our map. So what we are doing, we are checking if target minus current number exists in our map or not. If this number exists, what we will do, we will store our first number, like the position where we are currently at, and the position of the number, uh, resultant number of target minus the number position, and return the insert, sorry, return the result. If this condition is not satisfying, what we are doing, we are inserting our number as we were doing here. So this was the simple solution. The time complexity of this solution is O of n, and the space complexity is also O of n. This O of n for storing number, uh, storing number in HashMap, and this is basically this HashMap take constant time for getting and inserting the values. So we are only traversing one time on the array, so the time complexity is O of n. Thank you.